Are people stealing your Facebook videos and uploading them on their pages? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to protect every video you upload with a proper copyright claim, so no one can use your content without permission again. First, open your browser and click the link provided in the description. Make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Click on the Copyright option, then select Continue with Copyright Report. Now you will see the Copyright Report form. If you are reporting for your own video, select I am the owner, but if you are reporting on behalf of someone else, choose one of the last two options. I am reporting for my own video, so I select the first option. Now you will see more fields appear below. The first one is your page name. Type your page name here. Then enter your email address. Next, choose your country, and after that, select your content type. I will choose video. The next field is name of the rights owner. Since I am the owner of this video, I will write my full name here. In this box, provide the link to your own video, and in the next box, briefly describe your copyrighted work. After that, select your content type again. It can be a photo, video, ad, or other type of content. Now, in this box, provide the link to the stolen video. In the next box, describe your content clearly. If you have a court order, you can select the relevant option. In the final box, type your full name and then click Submit. A code will be sent to your email. Enter the code here and confirm it. Within a few minutes, you will receive another email from Facebook, which means your copyright report has been successfully submitted. They will review your content and notify you of the final result. And that's how you can protect your Facebook content from being stolen. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!